Hello everyone, and today I'm going to show you how to disassemble and assemble the HK416. Now just letting you know that in this video, this is going to be a lot quicker than the Taurus TX22 from my previous video. Now before I get into disassembling and assembling it, I just want to say that this is the first firearm that I just purchased and it shoots very well and I have no complaints about it. Now I'm going to show you how to disassemble and assemble the HK416. Now in disassembling it, you must first take out the two pins. You can use a screwdriver if you like, but instead I'm going to use it with my thumb since it's easier to pull out. Now that I got the pins all taken out, this is what it looks like when you disassemble the HK416. Now that this is disassembled, I'm going to start cleaning it up. And once I'm done cleaning it up, I'm going to put the pins back together to where it was. Now you want to make sure you put the right pins in the right position. Now, the small pin on my left hand is for the front, and the long pin on my right hand is to the back. Now, when you put the pins together, you must first push the lock in to the hole. And there you have it. Voila! I hope this video is very helpful to you. If you like it, click on the like button. Hope to see you again soon. God bless you all.